Siku wanajuaga insurance haina mshahara. So people are paid on commissions, and don't lose the job that you are in already ndio join insurance. If your bills ziko a bit high, I wouldn't recommend that you start an insurance career without having a good foundation in terms of another source of income. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. Welcome back to our channel, and in this channel we talk about insurance and we do reviews, both positive and negative. So if you haven't watched our previous video, go back and watch at least to get a snippet of what to expect in this channel. But basically is a lot of insurance stuff within the Kenyan market. In this video, I want to give you my personal experience or my personal journey as an insurance guy or insurance agent. And the reason why I joined and what were my expectations versus what I got. It's good for those of you who want to join this space, at least to be realistic. Ndio uweze kujipanga. It's a very good space to be in, but at the same time it's good to be realistic so that you can be able to plan yourself and avoid being frustrated in this space. Because if you don't plan yourself, if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. So I joined insurance in 2023 January, and the reason why I joined is because I wanted to be in a different space altogether. Nilikuwa nafanya job online, but I felt at some point I needed to do something that I can be able to predict 5 years from now, 10 years from now. So I wanted a career, and I was introduced to insurance space. And by the time I'm joining this, I didn't have like a very stable source of income. I didn't have another income. So I was expecting that I would be able to pay my bills using the insurance. And it was not very easy. When I joined, I was not able to sell an insurance product, a single insurance product for the next 3 months. And even when I sold the policy, the one that I sold, I think after 3 months, that was not sustainable enough like to take care of my bills. And if you have gone through insurance, or maybe you are there and you are new FA in this field, you understand that even if you sell a single policy, that may not necessarily get you out of your financial mess. So I sold my policy, but at some point the bills were too high on me, and I thought that I needed to get myself together. So nikaacha insurance, nikaenda kujipanga kidogo, at least to settle a few things to be able to get back when I'm stable. So I went for a break of around 4 months, then I came back, and I was ready. I felt like I was ready because at least I got the first exposure, and I got something to complement my insurance business, and I've been pushing every single day. So if you are looking to join this space, it's good to be honest. Get yourself another job or get yourself something to complement this insurance, not unless you have some networks that you already have. You know, we have different experiences. People have different experiences, or maybe you have different backgrounds. Maybe you're coming from a field where you already have contacts or you already have connections. So that may not necessarily mean that you're going to go through the same process as someone who is very new, doesn't have connections. Let me give you an example. If, for example, you are in real estate, you are used to meeting people, high-profile people. You have an experience of talking to people. You have an experience of how to do presentations. It may not take you long as compared to a person who is very green. He doesn't know how to sell products. He doesn't know how to do presentations. He doesn't know even who to approach. So people have different experiences, but at least for me, I didn't have that background. I didn't have those connections, so I started from scratch. I'm giving you this information at least to get yourself where you are, so that you can see, or maybe you can do your math. Where I am. Can I risk to do insurance full time, or can I give myself some time to build enough capital to be able to start this journey as an insurance agent? You need to plan yourself, and it's very important to tell you this. don't resign from your job. Okay, this is according to me. Don't resign from your job to join insurance without having a good foundation financially. That is one of the mistakes that I did, that I joined when I wasn't I had not put my finances together. So for me it was very difficult. So after a break of 4 months, I came back and I started again all over again. I have been pushing every single day, and every single day has been a learning journey. And I want you to be positive about this space if you want to get into this space as an agent. It's possible to make it insurance. We are still pushing slowly. We are still optimistic, and we hope that one day we'll be able to do big business. So this video was just to give you a hint of what to expect as an insurance agent, as a new FA, some of the pitfalls that you need to avoid, and probably in the next video I'll be able to tell you how much probably do you need to start as an insurance agent, because these are some of the information that probably you never be told, you not be told by the insurance company, or maybe your employer, or the insurance company that you choose to work with. Most likely they never tell you this, but at least from my personal experience, I know you need to have some budget. And in the next video we are going to talk about the budget, the money that you need, or maybe yes, the finances bit, not necessarily the much that you can earn from an insurance. Those things we can do that later, but the much that you need to be able to get to start this career as an insurance agent. If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure to like, make sure to leave a comment, and make sure to subscribe for more of this content. Turn on the notification bell. You'll be able to be notified once we upload new videos. So thank you very much for watching to the end, and until we see you in the next one. God bless you and bye bye.